What is up, my beautiful babes and gapes of the world? It's your girl Keelan, aka Itskeilynnn, and I am back with another mother freaking video. Now today's look is going to be a look that I've been seeing on Instagram and Pinterest and all of those great places a lot lately. So I was like, you know what? I might as well give it a try. So yes, I'm about to give it a try. But before we start this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Why not? Please. I'm just playing. But yeah, don't forget to show me some love, guys. Like, love. Anyways, I am going to be trying to attempt to do the invisible eyeliner makeup look. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first color, or the first thing I'm going to do is of course go into this palette and take this and sweep it across the remainder of the eye that is not taped. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is go in with this brown here. It doesn't look brown, but I swear it's brown. This brown here, and I'm going to take that above and into my crease. Alright, so now that I have that in the crease, I'm going to take this brown, of course, my favorite brown, and just darken up this new outer corner. Alright, so now that I have that brown, I'm going to go ahead and take a bit of concealer and clean up the rest of the eye. So now it's time to take my Airspun loose face powder, and I'm going to just set the eye with this powder. So now this tape just won't stay on this eye. But now it is time to go in with this gold color. This gold color here. As y'all can see, it is a neutral gold, so I think this will be perfect with this look so far. I'm going to take this on my compacted brush, like so, dab it on the eye. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend and clean this up. Okay, so I like it, but I saw something on Pinterest that I wanted to try. It might be a fail, might be a flop. I think this is like, I don't know, too far over. It looks too far over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this gold glitter and I'm going to put it on the outer, where the invisible liner is supposed to be at, to create more, I don't know. But I saw it on Twitter, I saw it on Pinterest and I thought it was cute. So next I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eye and put this glitter on the inner corners as well. Alrighty, so now it's time to move on to mascara. Y'all know I live for my Younique mascara. My Epic, or my Moonstruck Epic mascara by Younique. Love, love, love this stuff. Get you some if you have not, because it's a life-changing. I have not worn a false eyelash ever since. Alright, so I just feel like my eyes should be could be a little bit more defined. So I'm going to go ahead with my pencil brush and go dip back into that brown and just add a little bit more definition into, because I don't really see that dark brown. Alright, so I like that effect, or that how it looks more defined now. Alright, so next I'm going to go on to the rest of the face. You guys have already seen me do my face before, and even the new foundation I use. If you've forgotten, it is the Younique Mineral Touch liquid foundation in the color Cashmere, or the shade Cashmere. I have just been living for this. It is just yeah, I love it. So I'm going to do my face off camera, and then I'll see you guys in a second with the finishing touch. Alright guys, so now that I have the face, all the base and the contour and everything, the blush, all the good stuff, I'm going to move on and smoke out my under eye like I always do. So since we're sticking with a gold and brown theme, I thought I should do this shimmery brown here. Take this on a compactor brush, a fluffy compactor brush, and smoke it out. Alright, so now that I have that done, I just want to see if we can, because you know I'm extra when it comes to glitter. So I'm going to take this glitter and then put it underneath the eye as well. Alright, so for the lips, I'm gonna go with a bold color, since, you know, gold and brown. So I thought I would go for something bold. I'm gonna take the Clean Color lip pencil in the shade Hot Red, and then add Stubborn just in the middle. Now this is from Younique. I love it. It's from our Splash collection. It's a liquid lipstick. I've used it in the video before, I believe. Yeah, but it's in the shade Stubborn, and I just love it. So why not? So last but not least, of course, guys, is setting spray. So I'm going to add some setting spray and I'll see you guys in a sec. So yeah, guys, this is the completed look. This was my attempt at the invisible eyeliner. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. And also, if you guys try to recreate this look, tag me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram here for you guys, and it will also be in the description for you guys to go follow me. Go check my page out, and I definitely will follow you guys back. So until next time, always remember, stay classy and a little bit trashy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Okay, my intuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got the screenshot, so there is no need to deny. You've been creeping and freaking and sneaking like you never lose.